Hello friends, welcome to the Prelims Optima 1 minute series. In the next 1 minute, I'm going to share with you important tips and tricks of the UPSC Prelims exam, which has helped me to crack this exam all 6 times with one of the highest marks ever scored by any aspirant in the history of the UPSC examination. So let us begin. Let me share with you one of the questions which came in the year 2016. Let me share. Okay, so let us read the question. The question is from the environment section. The question goes on like this. What is or are unique about Kharai camel breed found in India? Okay, so let us read the statement. The first statement says that it is capable of swimming up to 3 kilometers in seawater. Here the word 3 kilometers is very important. So we'll just mark this 3 kilometers. Second statement says that it survives by grazing on mangroves. We all know that mangroves are found near the coastal regions in the saline water, near the coastal regions in the saline water where there is mixing of water, And the third statement says that it lives in the wild and cannot be domesticated. It lives in the wild and cannot be domesticated. So it is a high probability that you might not have heard about the word Kharai. You might not have heard about the word Kharai camel, but you must have, if you are from the Hindi belt, you must know that Kharai comes from the word Khara. You must have heard about the word Khara. And Khara, we all know, means basically saline water or seawater. So by the word Kharai, we can easily make out it has something to do with seawater. So the question says that it is capable of swimming up to 3 kilometers in seawater, which becomes highly probable from the word Kharai, because camels generally live on the land. But here, since it is called Kharai camel, it has to do something with the seawater. And second statement says that it survives by grazing on mangroves. So we all know that mangroves are basically found near the coastal areas, near to the sea, but not very deep in the sea. So it is very highly probable that first statement and second statement both will be true. First and second statement both will be true, and they will be true together. They will be true together because they are in the same theme. They are in the same theme. But when we read the third statement, it says that it lives in the wild and cannot be domesticated. It is a very extreme statement. It is a very extreme statement that it cannot be domesticated. We all know that camels have been domesticated throughout ages, and it cannot happen that one breed of camel is still to be domesticated, and to make a statement that it cannot be domesticated, it is a very harsh statement. It is a very extreme statement to make. So we can safely eliminate option 3. We can safely eliminate option 3, and once we eliminate option 3, we can eliminate B, we can eliminate C, and we can eliminate D. So we are left with only statement 1 and 2, which is option A. So my friends, it is very important to read the words of the exam in the question very carefully. Here, Kharai easily means Khara. Khara easily means seawater. Okay, and it is clearly saying that it can only swim up to 3 kilometers. And we all know that mangroves are found near the coastal areas, 1 to 2 kilometers of the coastal area. So 1 and 2 statement are very highly probable. So my friends, I hope this video was very useful to you. In the next 100 days, every day, 1 minute, I'm going to share one question of the UPSC, and I'm going to apply these tricks. These tricks and tips will help you basically imbibe these option elimination techniques. Many a times, aspirants say that, sir, we have gone through many option elimination videos, but in the exam hall, we do not get how can we apply these tricks. So in the next 100 days, I'm going to teach you. And I'm very sure that if you apply these option elimination techniques in the test where you will be solving questions in the next 100 days, you can also score like me, which is 144, 145, and you can clear the forestry cutoff also. So thank you, friends. I hope to see you tomorrow. Please like this video and also share with your friends and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, my friends.